Hello, I'm Mike from Dolphin Motorhomes at Southampton, and I know we're so disappointed at the moment that we're not able to go out and enjoy our motorhomes, but I've been doing some jobs and I just thought it'd be nice to pass over a little bit of information to you regarding your motorhomes while you're not able to go out and use them. Various things from charging your batteries, and to be honest, even though the weather's getting better, you do need to maintain your batteries if you can. Engine battery 1 week, you put it on charge. The second week you do the leisure battery and rotate it round. Don't be disillusioned. Please don't leave your lead plugged in and have it on permanent charge, because this could have adverse effect to the batteries as well. But by doing one weekend and then do the other weekend, absolutely fine. If you've got solar panels, then yes, they will help to keep your batteries topped up, unless of course they've got too low, and then you will need to use the onboard charger or a secondary charger connected to the vehicle battery. Now, if your vehicle is plugged in, you can check your sockets, put the kettle on, just make sure everything's working. If you've got an electric hob, and just really to get everything up together. I've just put water in my vehicle, and basically I've got a quarter of a tank, and I've just put the hot water boiler on electric, just to check and make sure it's all working okay. There's no leaks coming from anywhere, especially where your boiler valve is, because if you haven't had it in operation for a while, then you may find you might get the odd drip here and there. And just really put the heating on as well when the electric's on, just really to run it through, make sure everything goes okay. A couple of days later you could put the gas on, check all the appliances, hob, oven and grill, and again put the hot water on gas and do the heating on gas if you have those. And it's just making sure that things are running and not leaving them till the last minute when you can go and use your motorhome and find out you have issues. I move my vehicle around every week. Some of you might not be able to, but for those you can, it's best if you can just move it a couple of feet. It's just so the tyres don't stay in one spot and they go flat. Check your pressures as well, it's important. Going back to checking all the water and everything, just run the water through your shower and your tap just to make sure that everything's okay. You can go around all the outside of the vehicle, check your hoses, your drain plugs, everything, just see they're okay. General maintenance, that's the best thing. I've been going through my vehicle now for the last 2 weeks, just getting it up together, ready to go. So when things get back to normal and you're able to use it, by doing a few little jobs and checking it all out, you'll be ready to go. And if you want to go and sit in the motorhome like I'm doing now and have a cup of tea, then do it. It's sat on the drive, and quite often I'm in and out, and I'll have a cup of tea in here and read the book. So, you know I can't go anywhere. And for those that are working from home, use your motorhome as a home office. So lots of things you can do, and when the weather's fine, brilliant. Any issues that you have with any operation of the vehicle you're not happy with, make a note of it prior to habitation service or getting back to normal. Contact the service department, they'll be happy to help you and get you booked in if necessary. And that's it really, just enjoy your motorhome while it's on the drive, like myself. So on behalf of Josh, myself and all the Dolphin team, have a good Easter and stay safe. Goodbye.